Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is a study of a thermocouple. You can see this is thermocouple. The parts are, this is a digital millivoltmeter, means how much voltage is generated by this thermocouple. This is a thermocouple, cold water chamber, heater, hot chamber, and stand is there. When it reaches you have to put this rod, and then this rod is to be connected, and this is to be connected by you. Two thermometers are also provided, and two wires are connected to be connected to this. This is to check how much voltage will be generated. I am not putting the whole hot and cold water. This is for switch on the heater. You can see this is a heater. Here we have the inside heating coil. So when you switch on this will start giving the temperature. And this is temperature control, means you can increase the temperature, you can change the temperature, and increase the speed of the temperature you can heat. And then I am not switching on, I am switching it off. And then cold water is to be put in this chamber. So difference of the potential due to the hot and cold, this thermocouple will generate the current. So the current can be measured, how much voltage is coming up. So that's the principle of thermocouple working. Here is a on-off switch. So very easy to use. This is a very simple instrument, and we have designed this for study of experimental setup for one of our buyer. So this is a very easy system. Please visit. This is a stand. Here you have to attach this section to the stand before when it reaches you, and put the thermocouple like this. This is a system, temperature control oven, and very easy thermometers are there. Please visit the website. Our email is abron01@gmail.com, info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com. Our WhatsApp number is 9992222049. Another is 9416020018. We export items, we send you. Now some voltage is coming due to the change of temperature. You can see the reading is coming. You can see this, some reading is coming. So this is only because I am not putting the hot and cold, both of them. And this is only off, and this is again not putting. So this is very easy to use. You can put the experiment and do the experiment. Thank you very much.